be a hypocrite right now, the panel live, you know. Because the man have me a playing in background over there and I send people to come call up and like if no come blood clot, no come up pretty clean and nice. The sound I go back and say, nice, see? Yeah, what problem? None of them will talk about me. Me don't know none of them. Sadly, me don't know nobody will talk about me. Not one of them Oniel know. Destiny will carry false and go give them. Me don't know Destiny from nowhere. Now them over the system man I bring me down, my love. So me I make sure me tell them from now I don't know any of these people that are bringing me down. If they're bringing me down, that's good luck for them. This man is trying to build up a platform and he feel like he have a hit story and he want to use this hit story so he can stay afloat. And this, I'm gonna talk about this every day. What's the me answer him? What's the me answer him, my love? One dirty man, me don't know what him name. Who name Brittany X? Yeah. Girl, a man, me shut out. Who name Brittany? Eh? Then I can a stranger to come watch you. I want to come and I go hide my emotion and my child laugh, please. I'm gonna be my blood clot. Like come house I be myself. Yeah, which ex shut about? Brittany. We don't know nobody names, so. Donkey lady started. When I look on Destiny have idea come. When I see Destiny not a friend. When I go check Destiny track record, she bring down people. Would I go start and I go some love? She just wants anything where she think drag attention. Or people are gonna gravitate to listen to her that she work with. Like I mean showing my love. The man will make a donkey song for her, my love. But the man that she figure war. She run for me through me tell her so she fall off. And you see the funniest thing, them now come out and tell the people them, hey, what make you come out and have spread this rumor upon Oniel? Them now tell the people them that, you know, them carry the rumor go give the people and like say I sitting them fine upon me and them a carry. Them now tell the people say I cuss me and them a cuss me love and me class them and them a class my back. They make it look like said yes, them definitely know say yeah, it's me the person where them said analyze the people and put them in love. I saw them come out and make it so them now come out and make the people know say I cuss when them a cuss and we are using to bring down in blood clot cause them bring me down, I'ma feel bad. You come tell Destiny so she fall off so she get upset and go up on the internet and start class me. And then this a dirty man will say him straight, which you sir you don't straight, cause no straight somebody will absent, only Batman alone like to take up things and run with it and twist it and taunt it because Batman get a little kicks out of bringing down each other. And sir you couldn't convince me say you're straight. Everybody we are calling for your life, him is a Batman. And sir, me go find your deeds. Me go find you. I go find you, sir. Cause you over here talk to you straight. I go find you, I promise you. I'm gonna prove to the people says everybody will text me about you, sir. Them says I mix up man, I know him long time. Somebody tell me say I have one type of vein in him foot and him walk and tip on him too. The people them know him. But you know sometimes the people on the internet free to give people information because they know nobody come assault them or bring them down. Yeah, them say I have one type of vein in him foot him walk and tip on him 2 pints. Yeah. You bring me down, and what you do make your vein them come up in your foot and you tip on your 2 pint. And what you do at Jamaica make you run over Canada or now which part of the blood clot branch side. And what make your vein them report on your foot make you tip on your toe. Come tell me your story so the people can favor you, my love, and follow you up and come view you because they might hear your story. No straight man now sit down and buy you no argument. Sir, you have to go convince me next year and the next year come say it's not a dirty. You probably come from the gully with the girl and just go wherever you're there and find and hide and cover up your life. And I come on now, you're bit against Batman and no straight smarty way. Say them straight. Me a be a straight man in America where Jamaica and me and my friend and them know me a Batman and none of business with my lifestyle or blood clot and I go to them with it. So you a take up Batman pan your head so much. Batman a give you sleepless blood clot night. Me not understand the people them not question that. When you hear about Batman, the stomach supposed to sick, you're supposed to drop down, you're supposed to want ball. You're not supposed to comfortable and still not talk about Batman and have me up in your background and sit down comfortable, my love. Every look you look for me, you're supposed to throw up. You're supposed to have your pet my business side and you're my love ready for sip. And that's the truth, you're straight. When I see you're straight, if you're not open-minded and he's a straight man, you're too much supposed to sick when you hear about you lean like just like the rest of the people them run up on the internet, my love. You lean like them and come out and pretend with people. And sorry, I go tell them, I go give you a good bring down. Me just wait till my next page up back and when I bring it down as one page, like man jump on the next one. Yeah, me can't bring it down on the page 8 time, go make it like them. I have to wait till me have option. So when I go and rather me blood, no cheesecake this time of night, I don't want a big belly. Love Destiny them, that I love Antiquity them, big belly, not far. Destiny, I love God fit to buy an Arab, I love we do a hot wire and some cloth. Oh. They want to steal me joy out of my soul and my spirit. One want me to go lie down and one want me to go buy wet rag and ball. One want me to talk the honest blood clot truth. Me I live my grip. Me don't want country them say me can live my life and me I live my life. I'm happy with myself. I want to come and bring down more sadness for me than what they for me. Me done start already being a corruption and me don't accept say me should not do this, me love. When more I put pan blood clot me. When they come to me like Jesus, come me never come here and heal nobody. Me don't come here and wake up nobody from now dead or not dead and kill and put on me love. So you can't come. No, don't do that. Me the part earth I testify to nobody. I tell him to turn back to man. So when I try to crucify me, I cannot cross phone. My back up so big for lift no blood clot weight. So when I back down and move from your so no blood clot vinegar. How it go? When you too little and saucy and look at my case, so you forgot learn if you have some sense. Someone forgot back at some hard trust NTA school at Jamaica because slow. When you can't come talk to people who live in America for so long. From 20 blood clot, 14 I get a visa. I come to America and live me there. I'm not slow, I've been a travel foreign long time. I don't know about Uno in the back of the world. I can't do. If Uno want me to go back with Uno, I can't do it. Uno have to catch me up. Catch me up with some sensibleness. I'll suck up blood clot DJ man the way I talk. Sir, big old man with your tall hair drop down in your face. Curly. Miss Duppy, Shirley Duppy. You just a go and saucy so. You pull out my ear. See me your ear drop down over your face and you lick off lip and I go on your video. You don't want to show you up on the scene thing because you're embarrassing. No straight. You bought the man with over there with name whatever you want to call it. So come here call it thinking name. Dirty man look like a blood clot. Like your face shape away like when your mama have to blood clash them all up an eggshell. I see your face look it shape like a human being where God make on the eye and head on the side of some love. Them the human being they don't trust them. Anybody who have them eye run to them we run at them head so not trust them. Liar and wicked, them you don't know what them I do. For them they are gonna come. Well, I'm bringing on decent people. I don't know what I don't know. But anyway, guys, just remember my love. We have the 4th generation AirPods and the price them gone up. The summer sale done. As a matter of fact, the spring sale done. As summer we are going outside. I think you want your earphone when you run and you drink your water in the park or you're riding a bicycle. Remember to get the AirPods original, my love. 120 for one, 195 for two. And if you want to trim your workout at the a nice decent wholesale price, if you know so that wholesale price run it over, my love. Yeah, 3 for 1, 2 for 1, that's how we do it over here, my love. And you can't tap the people in front support because dirty man, me tell you, if you want to get support, you have to have a personality. And if you don't know what is a personality, go and go watch YouTube and go look on the long time big woman them where you see not acting and players if you can get a learning from them. Where should I text you to order? I mean, even give my phone number upon you again because my band me every minute miss. But if you click on my bio, put my name up there so and click on look up all this, you will see my phone number. Yeah, my business, them say them have to mash up. I love them say people that support me on TikTok. I don't look on them. Me no love me I sell earpod. Long time. Years me I sell earpod, my love. And you can't know the secret and me not tell you no. Because when I beg one roses, my love, I can't compatible with them. I like the $100 bill. Yeah? I like the money, big money. I like the fuckery money. When people come and beg you want 30 in your cash up. 30 I can't buy nothing with my weed or my smoke. I live bougie. So certain things I love, I not go benefit from, so I go bigger and done. How about me go hunt it and carry come and sell it to you upon a price? Yeah. If you go into the store then I'll get it for higher. Yeah, that's how my business come in. I don't get no competition. Them I walk and selling crutches in America. I walk and do what I have to do. I have my job. I work everywhere. I work at UPS. I do HH, I do CNA. I change all kind of work in America because guess I have real bills to pay and once you're not paying me, move on. Right, I'm in my work right now, man. This work I'm in and it pays me really good. Yeah. And I brag and I show me a show off. But $3,000 that week I make. Plus I have my side hustle them. I make Kango. So when I make Kango them I make them bad mind because me and them is not the same thing. Let me a nice creative can go, I make me love in the winter, I make some nice can go, I have some more for show now next time, I love. I'm very creative, so I have one next thing that's full of beer phone accessories. I ever sell something. Because I'm just bad man. Them turn Batman without a reason or a cause, you know. Them turn Batman without a reason and them do have a cause. Batman's supposed to be creative and at least intelligent. And the Batman we born nowadays, my love, some dirty people, all them know if you do I bring them one another because them never get no love in them home. And that one thing when I know about my blood clot life, I get love in my home. I get good love. And my family love me to death. I never give up on me. Yeah, and then never classmate hang me down. Never. I cannot recall one moment when my family them classmate and call me bad mind. I don't have to know what is love so I can give love. And make people live the life where they want to live and the choices what they want to make. No, they must spread rumors for me say I come to Mexico, but I have 2 visas on my book. I get a 1 entry and I come to America for 2 days and go back to Jamaica because I never like blood clot New York. I'm going to renew my blood clot visa in November. Because 1 year then give me the visa for 1 entry, 7 days upon that blood clot. I'm going to do 2 days in America. So, they must spread rumors for me say I run in America and I come to America upon a 1 entry. I can't bother for a show, I tell for sure. I come to America upon a 1 entry and I go back to Jamaica in a 2 days. I come to New York cold like a ice bill upon that a bomb of blood clot. I have to go home. I say every part of my body, I can't work in America. I say I'm dirty America, I'm class America. 1 entry, remember people dead for come to America. I come to America upon 1 entry and I go back home. But you know I'm the kind of man blessed. I go back home for faith and say I go back and renew and say I can get the 10 year. I get the 10 year, 2 visas I have in my book. So they must spread rumors for me to murder people and run them love. Oh God, man. I'm gonna get a 1 entry. Sure? I don't really know nobody will get 1 entry and really go back to Jamaica. Bad to bad. I was stupid. I go back to Jamaica for the 1 entry, my love. I'm reach back to Jamaica, I feel bad. But what the fuck I just did? I said, let's give me a next one. Oh my God. But then you're young and careless. I did young and careless, my love. Yeah, make you have to have a hustle. Bless to God, that's when I work every week, I can pay my rent. But some people have to struggle for work for the whole 4 weeks, I can't find it in 1 week. Bless up God, big up God. You come never come to America, come waste my time. When I come to America, my love, I go back to school, I do everything I'm supposed to do, my love. I get in a couple of problems and get a lock up, but if I'm fighting and one relationship when I be a domestic violence, I will tear down the internet and police is lock with my love. But other than that, my love, I come to America and I have no problem with nobody. So, and tell them how America work. You have to do biometrics. You have to do your fingerprint. And when you do your fingerprint in America, it run all over the place, especially where you come from. I attend in your great grandmother grave, ma'am. No, come ask me no question. I don't know size. You listen to me or you go. I attend your mother grave and your granny grave with 2 big rocks to my love and 1 marker, 1 pencil, 2 blood clot and about school me at 10. We want to school me at 10. For now, I just already. Sammy, no disrespect, girl. Sammy, but I don't know why you ask that for my love. I'm really sorry. I don't know if I'm one of your classmates, my apology, my love, but sometimes I'm going to get rude and rank up. Yeah. This is a long old paragraph in my face. Which school did you attend if you don't mind? I shall speak decent too, you know? But my class. I'm not going to lie, better than the dirty people who may watch on the live over this car. At least you have like a decency. Yeah. I used to attend Techman College, miss. Next. My ball. I got a 1 entry and I went to Texas, went back, pick up a multiple indefinite. Right there, so girl. When you see when you're confident, you're confident. Yeah man, but every time I show my business on the live, I TikTok take on my page, my love. I can't show the green card, I can't show the blood clot ID, I can't show the passport. I just recently renew my passport, you know. So I go to Jamaica. Then I go to Jamaica, now the people that hijack me and cook me up for curry and mutton. Eh? Yeah, I recently renew my passport. I want to put my new passport come. I recently renew it. It's flatter than the one I did have before. I'm more soft. I recently renewed my passport, so the government of Jamaica can stop it and then say a fake name. Good night, how are you? I guess I sit on my big buff, you know. Based stress and tormentation, the drunk them give me on the internet, my love. They want to mash me up in a life, my dear. I don't know what to do them. They want to mash up Oniel in a life, my love. They want to mash me up from a bumbo clot. When I feel like I'm in the dark ages and Batman a fear hide. Don't make me have to hide, come in hide, but please you, sir. Crazy. I could have suck him and suck my wood in her name on my body. Someone of the sort. Cause only when Batman obsessed over next Batman, I love them ride them so. Our destiny that look me one time. Crosses them. All of them are crosses. Destiny want something with Emily. The whole of them will cost me. Who don't want something with me love one body for grind. Poison them. All of them blood green. Them are alien from up on Mars. Me up on blood clot them. Listen, me alone can't hackle and keckle them for me love. But this argument alone them can't come use to come go on like them want hankle and triangle me love. To keep me silent. And me nah me nobody keep me silent. Cause you can't put no on blood clot me. Cause fingerprint never blood clot hide. And if you listen people grip and analyze pitney. What about DNA? DNA can't hide. So how people get analyzed and them know the DNA test and them shit there. You want dirty man to come here, but they would have fake picture currently 2 nights ago and them black my blood clot. Catch you me go say, what about DNA? Them black my ass clot. So you know I hear the legal and the legit and the factual part of when somebody get analyzed. What procedure them take place before them even put you on a hurt. Them have to run them little tests there. Autopsy and DNA. If them see a grape, you get them have to do swabbing and DNA. So what about them sitting there? People dumb? Me hear dunce people. Cause when people that's why I'm not entertaining on them, but me for calling on the box. Say Brighty, sir, me come in your box, your page, your life gone off millions, you gone viral. Me not like people with dumb. Anytime you once grape involved in a no case at all, DNA have to run regardless. And even if they don't catch a person who do it, remember them have a lab, hospital where the person born. Them can't go back there and find evidence how much DNA together. Like, come on, make it make sense. That's a Jamaica slack. That's a Jamaica slack. What about DNA? Cause we not talk about an alive situation. Talking about a grape situation. What about DNA? On the two dons. But the person could have used protection. Lady, when people are do grape on them sitting there, you think so them use them sitting there? Come lady, you think about when people think about grape, you think about it so decent, mama. You think about it too decent and demure, my love. When people think about them kind of situation, you don't think about nothing normal. That's why they want to use it for triangle, because when they hear about grape, how the fuck you have to think? Say people are going to use, if you have a time to think, say, a grape situation are going on, you have a time to think about condom and all of these things. In a scenario like this, I see a thing too deep. Because I didn't want things so far a blood clot. Because when you get the word, you're supposed to start class and cut off and chop up everybody we involved. And that's just the truth. That's just the truth. You're not supposed to have things so far, miss. You're gone too far.